Hey guys, Mike Grady. Day number 16 of the ClickFunnels Funnel Builder Challenge. It's a 30-day process to go through from start knowing absolutely nothing to actually generating revenues by selling a particular product or service that we've created, or by adding services to products that we have that are existing and then adding value to those products. So today's topic was talking about the Epiphany Bridge. What's an Epiphany Bridge? An Epiphany Bridge is a way to tell a story so that the consumer understands the journey that you went through to create the product, how it's of value to them, and how they can emotionally attach themselves to the product. So you created a product. Why did you create that product? You created that product because you saw a need in the marketplace. And it's about getting that product to the consumer and having them understand that there's lots of other products in the marketplace, but the product that you created is the one for them and they can't get it anywhere else. So basically what it is if you don't have a copy of Russell Brunson's book, Expert Secrets, I would highly recommend you go get a copy of it because it can help anybody's business. And then of course, on chapter 8, page 143, Russell goes through the entire process of the Epiphany Bridge, or what's called the Heroes to arcs or plans. And if you take a look at any Hollywood movie, any play on Broadway, they all follow the same formula, where you have your main character, the hero, that actually takes a journey where he discovers he has a problem, and then he leaves the comfort place that he's at to go seek out a solution to this new problem. And it's interesting to see that all successful movies are written in this formula. And we can actually use this formula so that people can actually see the products that we have and follow the journey of how you created it, how you add value to it, and how it helps them in their lives. Once they understand that, that's when they'll give you money. So that's the big takeaway from today, is learning how to sell your products by telling stories, creating that Epiphany Bridge, creating an emotional response from your prospect so that they know that your product is the best solution for them. And that's when they'll give you their hard-earned money, is when they know they're getting more value from your product than trying to find it somewhere else.